Absolute Unique is our highly anticipated limited edition for this year.
And this time it's about the brand being creative.
Absolute Unique is an incredibly special bottle because it's the only limited edition that any spirits manufacturer has ever done, in which every single bottle is different from one another.
Absolute is a very brave company to work with. All the people working there and the brand in itself, they dare to sort of explore new areas all the time.
A huge challenge with this project is that we didn't know the end result when we started.
Most people thought that this is impossible or very close to impossible.
How would the bottle look? Could we achieve this at all?
In this case, it's Absolute itself that is the creator. In fact, it's the machines on the bottling line making Absolute Vodka the artist.
When I first saw this idea, I thought, wow, this is a fantastic idea. But to be honest, I think that coming from the engineering side, I saw a lot of question marks in this. We thought that to realize this would be extremely hard. So to be able to achieve individual bottles like this, it would take some great efforts. So we virtually had to reprogram the machines. We had to make the machines create variation and create randomness, whereas they were designed to create stability and control.
All we did was to define the rules for how to design, and then we left it to the machines to actually do the design themselves.
The result of it is where we can actually see the machines as the vital part of creating this variation and being part of this solution.
Absolute Unique is a truly special bottle because every bottle will look different from the other.
The way that they're coated, the way that spray heads have coated them separately, and even how the patterns are placed on the bottle, even down to the number of the label, ensures that each Absolute Unique bottle truly is unique.
Meaning that a consumer going into a store and looking at this shelf will see there's a wealth of different expressions to choose from. The only thing they have in common is they're all beautiful.